Hi there, my name is Karis. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos on natural hair, college, lifestyle, as well as fashion. So if you are interested in any of that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today I will be doing a room tour video. So I have done a lot of college related videos the past couple of months, and I'm officially on campus, and last week I actually uploaded a video of my college move-in day vlog if you want to go check that out. And honestly, I was super hesitant to do a dorm tour because I'm kind of a little insecure about like my creative abilities. I am not one of those girls that just has like an eye for decorating. My room is not like super aesthetically appealing, but I was like, I may as well go ahead and put a video out there of my dorm room because I know there has got to be girls out there that do not have like the perfect like shade of pink everything, and just I don't know, I admire people like that, but that is not who I am, and I really wish I was. So you're just going to get a dorm tour of a very basic dorm. I don't know how else to explain it, but I do have friends who have like literally the most amazing dorm. I literally I go into their room all the time because it's just so beautiful. I don't know, it's amazing. So maybe I can convince them to let me show off their room. So if you want to see what their room looks like, I can do a video over that. I think how I'm gonna do this is I'm going to just show you an outline of what the room looks like, and then I'm gonna go back and then talk in details of what everything is, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's get right to it.
Okay, so like I said, I'm going to first just give you a preview of what the room looks like. So as soon as you first walk in, the first thing you see is this little trash can, super handy. And then I have a mirror up here, hi. And then right there I have my shower caddy as well as my shower shoes. And I talk about this in a lot of my videos, but I 10 out of 10 recommend this shower caddy. It's way better than the plastic ones. You can fit so much crap in there. So I will link this in the description down below. And then over here I have my homework area. I just have a couple pictures and some volleyball awards up there. And then over here this is a little corner dedicated to my boyfriend and the notes he's written me and stuff. And then in these drawers I have my books and journals and all of that. And then I keep my volleyball bag as well as my school bag down right there. And then you move onto my bed. So the one thing I did was I put my dressers underneath my bed.
I totally forgot to say this, but I have my own room because I'm an RA. That was one of the perks of being an RA. However, my room is furnished for 2 people, so I have 2 desks, 2 drawers, as well as 2 beds. And I actually broke down one of the beds and just hid the pieces, and I just use one bed, and I'll show you guys how we were able to hide that.
So over here, this big purple bedding sheet thing is actually hiding all of the other bed pieces. And then I have my mattress stuck way the other mattress is down here. But I just wanted one bed, and I didn't want it to take up I didn't want the other bed to take up all the room. So yeah. And then I have pillows over here, just basic. Oh my gosh, guys, I freaking love this pillow chair thing. I use it all the time. And ooh, I love this. I just got this year. It's an app where you can order pictures and they're like 80 cents per pictures. It's so worth it. I love it. It's so cute. I will link that in the description down below as well. And it was like super fast delivery. So then we move on to, oh, I have to have this ottoman because I'm kind of short and I really can't get onto my bed without the help of a little stepping stool, but I just put like random stuff in it. And then we get to control our own AC unit, which is nice. And I have my ring light over here. Oh, this is probably my favorite. I got this huge mirror, and I have some lights hanging. And then I have these Walmart mirrors. I got, actually all of these mirrors are from Walmart. This one was only $55, which was amazing because most big mirrors like this are like over $100. And then these two gold mirrors are like $10. And over here, guys, I have like so many cords. Look at that mess. So I literally just used this mirror to cover it up because that just overwhelms me. And then I have my lamp because this particular light, oh my gosh, it freaking hurts my eyes. So I always use my lamp. And then over here is like my makeup area. And I have talked about these vanity lights. Oh my gosh, guys, I love them. I got them from Amazon for about, I think like $15. And I love it. All you have to do is just like press this thing to turn it on and off. It gives off great lighting. And then I just started on this essential oil thing. I've never been in it, but one of my friends got me into it, so that's my diffuser. I can't really tell you if they work or not. But I've been using the lavender oil to help me sleep at night. I think it works. I don't know. And then I have my makeup organizer over here, my speakers, and then my mirror, Kleenex, because you know it's college and a lot of tears are shed over homework and all that, and then just pens and papers. And then I have like my makeup. I don't know how clean this is in here, so alright, well, not too bad. My meds, and then I have some hair stuff in there. I know those drawers are completely a mess, so I'm not even going to try to show you all those drawers. And then, oh, my tapestry, never know what to call these things. I love this. I got this from Amazon for literally like $10, no, like $6, super cheap. Love it. I'll link it in the description down below. And then over here I have my fridge and my microwave. Got these both used. Oh, my magic bullet, y'all. This is my #1 favorite item that I own because I freaking love my smoothies. And then over here I have a fan, and over here I have just my towel hanging up. Oh, this is also another one of those things I'm super proud of. I have a curtain covering up my closet. I will, hold on. Y'all, like, I love having this curtain because it hides all of this mess. So I absolutely love this closet space because there's just like a lot of room to fit a lot of my junk in here. So I have some bins over here. I have some more hair products up here, and then all of my clothes can fit in here also. I 10 out of 10 recommend you investing velvet hangers. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love my velvet hangers because they don't take up a lot of space and your clothes does not like slip off of them. And then I also have my shoe rack over here. I love this shoe rack. It's super handy. And on this side, I also have even more clothes. My laundry hamper is shoved over here, and I have another shoe rack over here. Oh, I have to show you another one of my favorite things about my room. Hold on. Hey guys, these bins. I got these from Amazon, and I think they were maybe like $15 altogether, but oh my gosh, I love them. So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, my room is not super aesthetically appealing, but
I think it's decent. Again, if you guys want to see a much better, cuter looking room, comment down below and let me know, and I will try to get my friends to let me show off their room because it's seriously so beautiful. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. I'm so close, like I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I've never been like big into numbers and all of that, but just to think of like growing this family to 1,000 subscribers makes my heart so happy. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe and join this family and get us to 1,000 subscribers, then you should do it. I'm super excited to make a lot more college related videos for you all. If you have any recommendations on what kind of videos you'd like to see, comment down below and let me know. Oh, also don't forget to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I'm super active on my Instagram stories. I'm actually going to be doing this thing where I post like a OOTD post every day. Sorry, I like totally forgot my train of thought there for a second. But every day I'm going to be showing you like what I'm wearing and where I got the clothes. And then every Tuesday I actually post these things called Tip Tuesdays, where I just like share a little video with you all of like makeup hack, hair hacks, and fashion hacks and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of that, you're going to want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will link that in the description down below. Again, I will link everything I talked about today in the description down below if you want to go purchase any of the items. But that is it for today, and until next time, bye!